Doodle3D is a powerful web tool that allows students to start with a 2D sketch and transform to 3D, seeing their actual object within minutes. This process is made even easier with new integration to the Polar Cloud. Start by heading to doodle3d.com. Once we're there, choose Sign Up in the top right corner. You can sign up however you like, but here I'm choosing to create a new account from my email address. You'll need to go to your email client and confirm your address to move to the next step. Once you're ready, log in. Exporting is only offered in the creator license, but luckily for a limited time, Polar3D users have a coupon code for 20% off. Under the license key area, enter Polar3D x Doodle3D and click Apply. You'll see the discount applied and can proceed to checkout. Once I'm in, I'll click Draw a Doodle in the top right, taking me to the design area. Let's just start with something simple for illustration purposes. Here I'll draw a few lines and add some text. When you're done, click the share icon in the top right and click Have it 3D printed at Polar3D. You may need to turn off pop-up blocking if that's an issue. Otherwise, just click Go to Polar3D. You'll see the Polar Cloud open up in a new tab. Click Sign in the top right and sign in using one of our 4 OAuth providers. Once I'm at the build plate, I confirm the object is placed where I want and is the correct size and click Print. And that's all it takes. Enjoy your doodle printed via the Polar Cloud.